This is Diesel. Hey, Diesel. And you have to spell the word B-A-T-H because he really likes B-A-T-H's. So once you say, go ahead and say it.
Bath? You want a bath? Want a bath?
Have you ever seen a dog that likes baths so much? You have your bath now, Diesel?
Oh, I'll give you a bath.
Let me get some water, Diesel.
That's okay, Diesel.
I bet you're thinking, I wish my dog was easy to give a bath like this dog. Diesel, you want some water? You can have water in the bath. Huh.
Should we use this one, Mom?
No, he doesn't have fleas, isn't there? There's some shampoo right here.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Diesel, you're being fast?
I should have got the scrubby glove. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I have my watch on. Stay in the bath, Diesel.
Oh, wow, that's big. Baths are nice.
You might need more soap.
Yeah, add more water. He only got one spot on him.
Ooh, he's dirty. No.
No, Diesel, don't get out. You're not done yet.
Jeez, look how dirty he was.
No, he isn't.
Oh my god.
Get some more warm water on him. And suds him up.
Oh, you like a bath, Diesel?
Better get some more water up around his front area and get that sudsed up. He's a fatty. He's chunky. Easily.
You make sure you rinsing now.
Yeah, make sure you get his chest really good though. On his belly. So good, Diesel. Nice and warm. Hey, you don't like a bath that much. The kill. You don't like a bath, you just like to get dry. Puzzles. Don't like a bath? You don't like a bath.
You got good enough rinsing?
Think so.